What's up, everybody? Back to give another video, and today, son, we're gonna make a spicy barbecue chicken pizza, son. So you're like, dang, so that do sound good, but I hate to break y'all heart. I don't have the little fancy machines, you know, so I gotta, buy pre-store made dough, you feel me? So besides all that, let's get to it, you know what I'm saying? So in order to make this dish, we're gonna need some mustard, some chicken, of course, some cheese, some ketchup, sriracha, barbecue sauce, hot sauce, pizza dough, onions, and that's about it, I believe. So let's go get to it, y'all. Welcome back, everybody. So all that I really had to do is I had to just do with my chicken right here. All that I had to do is add some Italian seasoning, some garlic pepper, some chili pepper, salt, pepper, you know what I'm saying, and some cayenne pepper, you feel me, and some olive oil and some hot sauce. So what I'm gonna do now, after you do this, is basically just gonna cook off your chicken. Hot or not, but whenever they start getting kind of toasty, you're gonna start working your barbecue sauce. So you think like, damn, we're gonna get a barbecue sauce recipe? You already got one. Today, I'm gonna make basically my famous, I don't wanna say famous because I'm not famous, barbecue sauce. So basically what we got here rolling is we got some sriracha, some cayenne pepper, some Worcestershire sauce, some ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, mustard. Make sure you check out that video if you know how to make this barbecue sauce. So once we get done making the barbecue sauce, we're gonna get our dough all nice and pretty looking, you feel me? We're gonna start adding our toppings to it. So let's get to it, y'all. What's up, everybody? We're back at this again, you feel me? So all I had to do is stretch out my dough like that, then I add my olive oil, and that's all there is to it. So then you got two options. You either got to put down your sauce and then put down your onions and peppers. But if you don't like onions and peppers, don't worry about it. Just put down your sauce, then add your cheese and your chicken and your bacon, then a little bit on top, and throw the jug in the oven. So let's go ahead and do that, and we're gonna see the final product. You feel me? Get to it, yo. Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? Looking kind of good. It got done. So, you know what time it is. Time to go ahead and try this thing right here. So, this is what it's basically looking like right there. You know what I'm saying? Look at that sexy thing. Sexy thing. Yeah, so you know you want some of that. So, let's go try that boy. Hold up, son. Hold up. Yo, son, this thing good, boy. This thing good, boys. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and check out the videos. So, see you in the next video, y'all. Get a God stopper, boy.
Going God stopper?
God stopper.
I've been losing faith, I done lost grip. Every day a race, I've been on tip. You can see the panic in my face, but I won't trip. Long road through this cave, doing great shifts. Try to walk a mile in my shoes, bet you all flip. Cause when you know the truth, then your mind split. And I've been losing control up in this cockpit, hoping friends don't turn to foes, I'm out of pocket. I was going far on the topic, I didn't drop it. Skeletons, they creep in my closet and they been watching. My head is steady rocking, I'm trying to block it. I ain't red, done with the flock and my wings rotten. It's my bed and I gotta make it and keep. Promise this what I let. If I'm being honest, I mean modest. And please don't you pray for me. Ain't no changing, no saving me. Secluded by myself is what I'd rather be. Oh, don't you pray for me.